Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook wrong credentials, invalid username or password problem. And to fix that, all you have to do is go to the Facebook app and don't open the app yet. All you have to do is just long press the application or long press the icon of Facebook. Once you've done that, you will click on app info. From here, you have to go to storage and cache section. From here, you have to clear the cache and clear the storage of Facebook. And you have to make sure that I want to let you know that once you've cleared the storage of Facebook, then all of the Facebook data will be deleted and you have to sign in into the Facebook app once again. So after doing that, check again if your problem has been fixed or not. If your problem is not been resolved yet, then what you can do is go to the permissions. From here, you have to allow or give all of the permissions. You have to allow the calendar, you have to allow the call logs, the camera, the microphone, everything, each and everything. You have to allow all of the permissions to Facebook and check once again if the problem has been fixed or not. But if your problem has not been fixed, check for the update. If any update is available for Facebook, to check, you have to go to your Play Store and type Facebook on the search. Then Facebook will pop up. If there is an update button, like I have an update available for Facebook, you have to just click on update button, and after the update is done, check if your problem has been fixed or not. But if your problem is not been resolved yet, all you can do is just restart your phone or reboot your phone. Just power off your phone and turn it on once again, and hopefully by doing all of these steps, your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix Facebook wrong credentials, invalid username or password problem. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.